finger. You're rainy.
Oh no, I got to keep
Hey, it's right.
moving.
We went
Did
there.
you see me? Got to keep on moving. Last night I had to play the game. I got away to China. Oh, I go to China. We had to take the job. You know what to take it. Let's try it. Oh, we are not in that California pizza ticket. I refuse.
A pothole. We're going on a mission. Find some lunch. I don't think we know where we're going. For my nice cozy jacket. Ashley, please do not slide. Well, that was your fault for doing that. Why do you keep sliding? I can just see you going backwards. And I'll get it on film. Hey. We're just gonna go to Bubblegum.
Yep. Make it easy.
Bubblegum for lunch.
Wow, we could have been in here already.
Since we couldn't find Huckleberry.
No, we found it. It's just not open.
But it said open summer 2019.
Over here. She's littler. She's littler. There's going to be 5 of this one. Or this one. He's about the same size. Really?
I'm very confused.
You gotta do what Winnie the Pooh does. Dink, dink, dink. Look, you look like her. You're wearing yellow. Where's your red?
I'm short, fat, proud of that. Short, fat, proud of that. I don't know the rest of the song.
Up, down, touch the ground, in the mood for food.
Up, down, touch the ground, in the mood for food.
I am so Fluff, I am round.
You are just recording myself. Oh, that's the, you are
Ejected. In the corner for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I gotta go to the store. It's wet. My butt's gonna get all wet. No, it's okay. Sure. I didn't know I came as a maid here. I said,
What's the mood of the day?
Stitch crawling into his bed. I can show you.
And driver, you are clear. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed.
No. I rephrase that.
That's the mood of the day. The mood of the day at Disneyland. Yoo-hoo.
Look at my bum.
Ready for fun?
Oh, I'm gonna go get a jacket. Another one. Better cop.
Get my churro this time.
Yeah, you owe me one.
From the track. If an article should fail, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest.
Sorry, what? I found a happy
It is raining.
My
And we
cuddle
at the
buddy.
Disneyland. And my glasses are getting all wet.
That sucks.
I didn't bring another glasses case. Oh, I lost a penny. Oh well, it's tails. I don't want to pick it back up. Yeah, da 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 da. Do, 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 do.
Okay. Let's stop over here so I can get my knife.
You need to buy mine.
Can you fix that?
Why? You tie my max pass. So I can stand and wait for all of you? Ready? Jump into happiness.
Ready, jump.
Oh, we stand in the middle of the way.
Oh, look, a chair.
That's what I said.
So far, we have done nothing.
I got a jacket.
We went through 2 stores. We had a Matt's Pass for Thunder Mountain, but now it is closed. He just littered. But we're just going to
My knee
Disneyland. It feels very weird doing all this without Carlos. We have her. But he always comes with us.
Not
So-
always.
Yes?
I don't recall.
Yes. Every time we come here, I always bring him. This is the first time in a while where he hasn't came. And it's very weird.
What? Old lady runs us over.
Yeah, old lady going fast on that scooter.
She don't do it.
I guess we're gonna go on Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, so that's a really cool thing about living here. You like the jacket? Yep. You look nice and toasty. What in the world? Girl in booty shorts. It is 55 degrees. What is this? What is the madness? There was a girl in booty shorts.
So you can't make another selection on Max Pass until you go.
Ready?
Don't worry about it.
What? Are you ready? Sure. My seat's very warm. Yeah. Ready? Oh, water. What were you?
Horrible.
A lobster?
No. Crab.
We already established that, Brandon. Stick with the program here, bud.
Well, I can't hear back here.
That's why you're in the huddle. Why are you not in the huddle?
Oh, now look at the line.
She looks like an egg. Like my egg I brought yesterday.
Yeah, she just goes, Miranda, grab an egg.
I've only called you an egg. I look like a potato. Why are you so close? Personal space, please.
Potato.
You're popping. Yeah. Watch.
No.
Can you stop?
No.
And then she stops it.
Where's the churro? I'll find you a churro, don't worry.
Like right now.
Where? Where's the churros? Find the churros. Where are the churros? We want churros! You got your churros.
That's fine.
Churros are secured.
Huh? It's a churros are here. I'm like, no!
You enjoying your churro? Now off to California Adventure. Don't I look all nice and cozy? So cold. I'm an Eskimo. When you're cold and you want to be an Eskimo. I look like a potato.
A pumpkin?
A potato.
I'm not cold. It's just the wind started and...
If Carlos was here, then he would be walking around with me like this. Where are we going now? Under the sea.
I already said that.
We're going on the moon.
Yes, we Sebastian.
We are We are calling it a night here at Disneyland.
We're at California.
Well, Disney, California Adventure, whatever. We're still here. But
We're leaving.
Yeah, we're calling it a night.
Oh my god.
It's been I don't even know how to describe the day. Between the rain and the people and everything else. We shall be back here in a few weeks. Hopefully. Hopefully next time he'll be with me. Next time Ashley's gonna break dance. Yeah, you're gonna break dance.
I'm gonna break dance? Why am I gonna break dance?
Because why not?
No.
Why not break dance at Disneyland?
I don't dance.
Okay. You don't dance, as you just learned like 2 TikTok dances.
I learned like 3.
Oh, 3 now. It's 3. The other day it was just 2.
No, I know a total of 4.
Okay. Well, bye.
As a courtesy
Did you have
to
fun
other
today, Ron?
we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on
And I
board.
didn't get food.
As
You're
a
getting
reminder,
food right now. Relax.
this is the
Mom,
Mickey
did you
and
enjoy
Friends
your
and
day
Pixar
here?
Pals tram, serving the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure.
Did you have fun?
We'll begin our
How about
trip
you,
shortly. Thank you.
That's
I
the
forgot
mood
about
of the
that.
day, guys, remember?
No.
Wait, what's the mood of the day?
The mood of the day was Stitch doing a handstand and shaking his butt.
No, that's still the mood of the day, or has it
No,
changed?
it's changed.
Wait, so what is the mood of the day?
How
How about the guy, the guy from Inside Out? Anger. That's the mood of the day. The mood of the night.
Driver, you are clear.
Or you can do
For your
Sleepy from
safety,
Sleeping
remain
Beauty.
seated with the doors closed. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and
that
legs
one's the mood.
inside while the
Boo.
tram is moving. And supervise your
Who's the
children.
mood?
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
What's the mood?
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or
That's the
signs
mood
that
of
you're
the night now,
trapped.
guys.
If an article should fall, please stay